Hi everyone, you're welcome to the video. It's Victor here and thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Give us a like. Let's hear from you in the comment section below. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for sticking with us all through these years and helping us grow over time. We really appreciate the love and support towards the growth of the channel. It's actually my first time of putting my face on a video and it feels good, though it feels a bit, but definitely it's going to be better. So do bear with me if there's a few glitches here and there, and trust me, I will do better in subsequent videos. All right. So without saying so much, today's video focuses on what a brand is and what branding really is. Over the years, I have read articles, I have watched videos of other creators on what branding and what a brand really is, because the topic kind of resonates with my discipline, right? I have actually bumped into definitions that actually explains and portrays the real meaning and sense behind the word brand and branding. And I've actually seen some content that doesn't really do justice to it. So in today's video, I just want to give you clarity as to what a brand really is and what branding is. All right. So I'm going to first of all define what a brand is. If you go to Google and search what is a brand, the Wikipedia definition of a brand is basically a name, term, design, symbol, or any other feature that distinguishes one seller's good or service from those of other sellers. All right. But that doesn't really do justice as to what a brand really is. Okay. So my own definition of what a brand is that a brand is an emotionally perceived corporate image of a business, product or service or a person. Okay, so it does not just end in business, product and service. Also, it's an emotionally perceived image of a person as well. Okay, so a brand is not just one thing, but the total of what a business has to offer. It's an intangible asset of an organization, and it's not something a designer can create. All right, I'm gonna throw more light on the designer's aspect of things, but just stick with me, okay? It's being said that a brand is what a person thinks or says about your business behind your back. All right, so a brand actually is an intangible asset of a person, a business, its products or services. All right, it's what other people think about you when you're not in the meeting room. Okay, so if you have made it to this very point of the video, you must have gotten some clarity as to what a brand is from my definition. So if I must stress further, a brand is actually a strong mental picture, or you can say a strong perceived image of a person, business, its product or services. All right, so it's not just about a business, also about a person. Some people actually run and manage their own personal brand. Okay, so their image, their face is their brand and everything, so they are their brand themselves. Okay, so what people think about them, for those who are running a personal brand, the strong perception, some persons will say that a brand is a strong positive perception. I decided to leave out on the positive side of things because it could be positive, it could be negative. So what do I think about you, whether positive or negative, is what makes up your brand, okay? So a brand really is a strong perception that you have towards a business, its products, services, or to a person, okay? So like there are lots of instances and examples I would have loved to discuss on the video, but to keep things simple, all right, I wouldn't want to go into that. Maybe I would leave that for another video, all right? So where I can throw some more light, give you real life instances as to what a brand really is, because some people just use the word a brand and they don't really know what a brand really is, okay? So with this few points of mine, I hope I have been able to communicate to you what a brand really is, which is a strong, emotionally perceived image of a person, business, its products or services. Now, these are key things to take out from this definition. A brand is a strong mental picture, or you could say a strong perception, or you could say an emotionally perceived image of a person, a business, its products or services. All right. It's psychology related, right? So it has to do with what I think and feel about you, or your business, or your product, or your services. That's what really makes up a brand. Like I said earlier in my definition, that it's an intangible asset of a person, a business, its product or services. So that's what a brand really is. So the next question is, what is branding? If you do a quick search on Google, you get a lot of definitions from different sources. Okay, one says here that branding is the perpetual process of identifying, creating, and managing the cumulative assets and actions that shapes the perception of a brand in stakeholders' mind. Okay, that might sound like plenty of grammar, all right? To keep things simple, this is my own definition as to what branding really is. Branding is the ongoing process of impressing a strong, positive perception of your company, its products, and services in the minds of your customers by using a variety of strategies and techniques, such as your voice. You could also call it your brand voice, message, vision, emotion, values, personality, strategy, quality, loyalty, visuals, etc. All right, so in order to crown it all up and summarize this definition, branding is basically the art and science of impressing and instilling a strong mental picture or a strong emotionally perceived image of your business in the minds and the hearts of your customers, stakeholders, people, users, followers, viewers, and the rest. All right. So, like I said in my early definition of what a brand is, that a brand is a strong emotionally perceived image of a business, products, and service. Now, the art and science of instilling or influencing these emotionally perceived image is what branding really is. In order to achieve branding, you can't actually point to one thing. There are different metrics, different factors as to what makes up for branding. Like I said earlier, your brand voice plays a role. Your brand vision plays a role, your brand message plays a role, your personality plays a role, your strategy plays a role, and a lot of other factors, all right? So you might want to consider these different factors as a yardstick to impressing a strong mental picture or a strong emotionally perceived image of your brand in the hearts of your customers, in the hearts of your stakeholders, viewers, fans, and the likes. So with this viewpoint of mine, I hope I've been able to dissect and throw some more light on what a brand is, which is a strong mental picture of a business, product, and services, and what branding is, which is the art and science or the process of instilling and influencing this strong mental picture in the hearts of your customers. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it to this very point, I really love and appreciate your support. Thanks for sharing this video, giving us a like, and I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Please do well to check out other videos and stay tuned, stay glued, and don't go away, because I am set to bring you lots of amazing creative videos like this and even much more here on the channel. If you have your own definition as to what a brand is and what branding is, please let me know in the comment section below. So do well to, I don't even know what to say. But thanks for watching. If there is something I left out on this video, do well to let me know in the comment section below. I'll be there to read all your comments. And thank you for watching. Thank you for leaving us a like. Thank you for sharing this video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Until I come your way again, stay blessed. Peace.